Can you please have a look at what I've got on the board? I have an equation for you. What I would like you to do is I'm going to find the equation of the tangent at a certain point. Here is the point. So we have already done this. This is not new. We just haven't done it for a while. And we did it last year. So how do I find the equation of the tangent at a particular point? What do you think, Judah?
Different weighted substitute for x, find the gradient, then you have the gradient and set up points to see the find the.
Okay, we did this yesterday. So essentially what I need to know is I have a point. What I don't know, so this is my lovely little equation for finding the equation of a straight line. I have y1, x1, but I do not have the gradient. But I can find the gradient at this point using the derivative of my function. We have done that stuff. We know how to do that. So the derivative of this is 9x squared plus 12x plus 1. Good. So if I want to find the gradient at a particular point, what's the point? 1, right? So this is x and y, yeah? So my x point is 1, so 9 times 1 squared plus 12 times 1 plus 1. So I've got 9 plus 12 plus 1, which is 22. So that means I'm going to plug that in here. So I've got y minus y1, so it's plus 2 because it's negative, equals mx minus x1. So y is 22x minus 22 minus 2. So y is 22x minus 24. This is the equation of a tangent line to this function that passes through this point, right? Okay, so this is what we've done before. Let's now do it with something that looks a bit worse. So what if my equation isn't quite as nice? What if I have, let's get rid of this. What if I have y equals 4 root x plus 7? Okay, and this time I want to know the tangent line that goes through this. Okay, so what do I do with this first? Okay, good. So I'm going to rewrite this as a power of half. What do I do now? Now I derive dy over dx. dy dx is what? 2x to the power of negative half plus 0, right? This disappears. So let's think about this. So let's rewrite this as 2 over root x. Okay, now I'm going to plug in my x value, right? It is half because this is 2 over 4, which is half. And that is what? My gradient, right? This is my gradient. So then I use this point. So y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. It's definitely a 6. So then y equals half x minus 8 plus 3. Y is half x minus 5. And there is my equation. See what we're doing? So always rearrange things first. Make sure you've got no fractions, no square roots, all of that sort of stuff. Then you can just do your derivative, find your x value, find your slope, and then use your formula. All right, today's 8.8.